Hey y'all, this is Mrs. O'Connor Vince with another You.DJ tutorial. So I can select all these different effects here, and I'm going to show you quickly kind of how we go about doing that. Brake, obviously, this is like pulling the brake in a car. This is slamming the brakes, a sudden halt in music. So again, if you're thinking about transition from one song to the next, or even like this is where you want to end the song, this is a great way to do that. Let me go back a little bit. So as long as I hold it, I actually have to click and hold the button while I do that, which is not an issue. It is an issue, however, if you're trying to manipulate things otherwise. But that, again, is kind of like a sudden break stop in the track.